Hello YouTube, this is a video for you if your home button is not working. In case your home button is not working, here's a video for it. Okay, this method is if you don't want to get it repaired, you don't want to spend so much, so here's a tweak for you. Firstly, your iPod, iPhone or iPad, anything needs to be jailbroken. Okay then, first we go to Cydia. So once it has loaded, what you're gonna do, go to search, go to search bar and type for SB settings. You're gonna wanna download it. Here you have DX, SB settings, all this. So search for DEF SB settings, HR SBS settings. Click on it. Install it. It's just 96 KB. It won't take long. Return to cydia, and now I think you have to search for activator. Search for activator. It's ACTI. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, here you go. Type in activator. Oops. Or maybe it comes preloaded with SB settings, but I don't know. In my case it didn't, so I'm downloading Activator 2. Anyway, once you download the Activator and SB settings, click your home button, and once you've done that, oh god, hold on guys. Yeah, thank god. So you go to the SB settings. You don't need any of these. Directly go to you gotta go to Activator. Activator. Go to Activator. So in the Activator menu you'll find an option Shake Device. So in case your home button doesn't work, you can activate it in such a way that when you shake it, it's back in the home screen. Oh, these advertisements. Choose any you want, but if your home button is not working, then you click for home button, and then just to show you how it works, open anything you want. So like if I open my notes and then I want to go back home, I can shake it. See, like this. So if I shake this like this, here is it. So in case your home button doesn't work, you can shake it. Like let me show you. Here is it. So rate, comment, subscribe guys for more. If you have any doubts or if you have any questions, comment or inbox me. Thank you.